Good morning. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. It is SheModern Saturday. Today we are going to play with some ornamental decals that were given to me at Christmas time. We are going to do one on my ring finger, and I'm going to do one on a fake nail just to play with. On my hands already, I have Sally Hansen's Big Primer Base Coat. Sorry if I wasn't in frame. I have that on today. My red is by Broadway Nails. It's Red Hot Chili Pepper. I've worn the name off of it. I have on, I'm sure you can see the gold. It is just beautiful. It is SheModern's new Dazzling Golden. It is a shimmery, glittery type pigment, which I just love. I've got that. My ring finger doesn't have too much on it, so we'll be, touching that up. I'm going to be playing with, I don't know, maybe 2 fake nails. Let me see here. This is the one I was messing with. On this nail, I didn't use regular foil glue. I used SheModern's glue gel. I was messing with that. So I may do that on a black nail with the decal too. So we'll see. So let's see, where should we go from here? I'm going to get my foil glue. I'm going to sit up here to the side, wipe the brush off really, really well. There's a lot on it. You only need to, there's still too much. You don't need a lot. A little of the foil glue goes a long way. Take that, just, go around by your cuticle, but not on. Let that dry. When it does dry, it will turn clear. I'm going to keep your foil glue tightened up because it will dry up on you if not. Same with glue gel. Keep your caps on. The decals I'm going to be using are these beauties right here. This is the one here that's going on my ring finger. It's got a shimmer to it. It's got a hollow shimmer. It's really, really pretty. I really like this one. This one over here is a regular hollow. We are going to be putting that on the black nail. This set item right here. On here I have Kiss Gel Strong that I got at the Dollar Tree. It's called Express. That's their shade. So we'll be playing with this one too. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to use the, where'd I put it? Foil glue or the gel glue. Which should I try? Decisions. So I'll keep both of those out and together here. We are dry. So I'm going to get me a canvas, a SheModern canvas. I'm just going to sprinkle, am I in frame? Okay. I'm just going to lightly sprinkle, because you don't want a lot, and just dab. Ombre it on, so to speak. I really like this pigment. So there we go. I'm not going to seal it in yet because we do have to do our decal. I'm going to get my trusty little water bottle. SheModern water bottle, which I've lost the label. I'm going to saturate both decals, even though the bigger one, whoops. We'll let them both sit there for a minute. Well, not a minute. It takes maybe 10-15 seconds, but the bigger one I'm not going to use just yet. Let those go. I've got my tweezers here off to the side. Put my cap back on my pigments. Yeah, we're ready to go. Waiting on our decal. I don't know if that one's got enough water. We'll see here in about 5 seconds. See if it's ready to part ways. Top coat I'm going to be using will be my water-based top coat by Born Pretty. On top of that, I will be using my Pro FX quick drying top coat. Found this at Walmart. Great product. The Born Pretty, you can get this on, I'm sure, on AliExpress. You can get this on the Born Pretty store directly. And I actually, you can get these off of Wish, I do believe. I'm not 100% on that one, though. But I do believe Wish carries them. Whoops. I think I might put just a little bit more water down on that. So it was not ready to part ways. Oh, I guess I should turn the TV down. You don't need to hear Michigan's weather. It's still probably too loud, huh? Can you hear it? I hope not. But in case you did, it's cold here in Michigan. It's winter. That's just how it is. Yeah, it's not ready to part ways yet. Bigger decal is, but not the smaller one. We'll let that sit for a little bit longer. My black nail. I don't know what to do. Foil glue, glue gel. Foil glue, glue gel. I think I'm going to use the glue gel. Like I said, even with the, any type of foil glue, you don't need a lot of this. The glue gel, you don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way, like with any of SheModern products. I'm going to just take this and randomly dab it along the nail here. Make sure you get up by the cuticle area in your sidewalls. Whoops. Did not want to go down that far. Definitely no, I think I got a little slight bubble. Let me get my brush wiped off real well, because my bottle's full. I've only used it a couple of times, and my brush is very full. Take that, because you don't need a lot. Wipe your brush off if you have to on something. You want to scrape most of this off. Not scrape, shouldn't have said that. You want to, smooth this out. Wipe the majority of it off, because you don't need a lot. There we go. We're going to let that sit for just a minute. We'll put that over there. We'll see if my decal is ready to go. And yes, it is. We're in business. I just need to figure out which way I'm going to put it. I don't know if there's a correct way with this or not. What do you think? I think... Turn my canvas around. There we go. Whoops. You want to straighten this out as much as you possibly can. Let me see here. It's not how I want it. There we go. And slide that off. I'm going to get a tissue and I'm going to hold it down for a second. Oh no. We got tissue in the mani. There we go. Dab it down. Get the water out of it. A little bit of tissue here in the mani. It's not called for. Can you see it? I can see it. There we go. So there we go with our decal. I'm going to get my water-based top coat. Seal that baby in. I am going to cap the end of my nail. That is so pretty. That's really pretty. I love that. Love, love, love that. I really like the decal a lot. So you can see it is flush on the nail. It is not sticking up anywhere. You don't need a lot of water with the water decals. I don't put the water on my nails anymore because it just seemed I couldn't get the decal to seal. It was like sloppy Susie. So we're going to let this one sit here for just a second. This is my black nail. I love this. I still think there's too much gel glue on it. Let me part ways with this stuff right now. Just a second. I am going to put my Pro Effects on. That's got everything in my way. Mostly just gonna slightly do my others. Cap the end of your nail. So it's the weekend, everyone. What are you doing this weekend? Valentine's is over. I know I'm still wearing red, but that's okay. I think it was called for with this design. I think it looks wonderful with the gold and everything. I think it's really, really pretty. This does dry quickly. It's a fast dry top coat. I'm going to bring our canvas. Pardon me one moment. Alright, we're back. Sorry, I had to get something to drink. My throat started sounding a little funny. And we don't want that. So here's our black nail. Here's our mixing canvas. Let me slide that just slightly over. I wish there hadn't been so much glue on this nail. So I still think there's way too much. I got my pigment. Dazzling Golden. I really like this. Slightly tap the end of your bottle. Oh, that looks pretty, doesn't it? Slightly dab, dab, dab. Oh, that's beautiful. Forgot I wiped the brush on that sponge. Can you see it? Oh, I don't know how to hold it. That's just beautiful. Really beautiful. I so love this pigment. This is a new product or a new flavor, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to bring our decal back over. There we go. Put it this way on the nail. Gonna get my tissue and dab it down. Here we go. Gonna get my water-based top coat out, seal it in. Whoops. Still gonna cap the end of that just because of the habit. How do you think that looks? Now this is with SheModern Glue Gel. Dazzling Golden. and the hollow ornamental decal. Move that. Let me see. Can you see it? Let me know down in the comments down below what you think of this and the black nail. Also, please let me know what you think of my mani. I think they both turned out beautifully. I really, really do. I love SheModern products. My arm is sticky now. But what you gonna do? You know? I think these are both beautiful. I love the designs. I love the decals. The dazzling golden new pigment that's out. Now, I've used the glue gel once before on my nails. This is like for removal, like using gel polish. Like as if you cured it. You're going to have to, it's not the regular grab your normal nail polish remover. You're going to have to use the soak-off method, which is alright. It doesn't take long. I really like this. I think that turned out really beautiful. Same with my mani. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well, this is the end of my video for today on SheModern Saturday. I really hope you enjoyed. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.